Here's a pair of the Google Pixel Buds 2a, and you have an issue where only one of the buds is working. I'm going to show you how to get you up and running right now, okay? So the first thing is try to do this. Sometimes it's a connection issue. So go ahead and take the buds out, open the lid up, and blow really hard into both of these, okay? Blow all the way down there. Just blow in there. Other side. Now, go ahead and grab your earbuds and the metal contacts. You see right there, kind of rub it with your finger in case you got anything on there where it's not going to connect securely. Okay, so now go ahead and place the buds back into the case, close the lid, count to 5 seconds, then open it up, take out the buds and see if they are both working. If they're still not both working, the next thing is we'll just factory reset these, okay? So simply go ahead and go back, put both the buds in the case. And then we're going to close the lid. We're going to count to 5 seconds. And now we're going to open it. And we're going to leave the buds in there, leave the lid open, and we're going to press and hold this button on the back here for like 30 seconds or so. And this will factory reset these, okay? So here's that button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Now just keep holding. Now we have to wait until you see that light blinking there. We have to wait until there's no light blinking, and then we can let go of the button, and then the light's going to turn amber white, amber white. I'm still holding on to that button, so just be patient here. Still holding. Come on, it's about to turn off. Just wait until it turns off. Lights are off. Now let go of that button and watch this. Amber white, amber white. Now it's doing the factory reset. Now you just have to wait until it just starts blinking just white, which would indicate the factory reset is done and you are back in the pairing mode. Okay, so let's just wait. It's orange, white, orange, white. Okay, now it's blinking white, white. Now it's in pairing mode. Now go ahead and go back to your device. The thing is, go back to the device that you're connected to and make sure you delete it off the pairing list. If you're on an iPhone, it would be like forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it would be like unpair. Unpair it and then scan for the Bluetooth and then connect again and now see if both work. If they still don't work, then just do the same two process again like I did in the beginning. Just go ahead and take the buds out. You can blow on it again, or you can use like something like this, like a duster mover. Put that in there like that, and then rub the metal tips, put it back in there, and do the process. If that doesn't work, then do the factory reset again. Anyway, I hope that helps you guys out.